Have you ever bathed with Mountain Dew soap? And why has Coca-Cola now started working as a carpenter? And K.F.C made such a nail polish that you can eat. Fact number 9. Mountain Dew body wash. You can even shower with Mountain Dew. No, that's just a joke. Mountain Dew not only sell drinks but also sell body wash. Don't know where did they get this idea from. And it's not just alone. Doritos has started selling moisturizing face wash too. Fact number 8. Coca-Cola screwdriver set. Earlier, Coca-Cola started selling screwdrivers, now complete toolkit as well, which looked exactly like Coca-Cola's can. Actually, at that time workers used to drink a lot of Coca-Cola during their breaks, and to attract them and to market their product, this toolkit was taken out. Fact number 7. Actually, Colgate had launched Lasagnia, that too ready-made. You just had to heat it at home and you can eat it. But people said that its taste was so bad that it tastes like they were eating a cardboard, and it is considered to be the biggest food failures. Fact number 6. K.F.C and nail polish. Have you ever heard of K.F.C chicken leg piece pillows? Yes, K.F.C sell that too. People in K.F.C love the smell of their restaurant, so K.F.C even made candles that exactly smell like it. This is K.F.C special edition candles which when lit used to smell like K.F.C. And gravy flavor is also available in this candle, and they also made a K.F.C fire log which when burnt smelled exactly like K.F.C. But once K.F.C had also made a nail polish which you can eat, and it is used to taste like K.F.C spices. Fact number 5. Samsung fashion store. In Korea, Samsung makes clothes as well as phone. There is a Samsung fashion store in Korea where you can buy Samsung clothes. Fact number 4. Levi's cars. Levi's car was created by Levi's company. Yes, you heard it right. Levi's is a jeans company, but they also made a car, but only they knew why they did it. But people believe that it was a special edition car as it was shown only a couple of times at the exhibition. Fact number 3. Lamborghini vodka. The most popular car company has also launched their own vodka, which is surprisingly quite popular, especially in car lovers which are already very rich. Fact number 2. Audi dog toys. Audi has made not one or two but many toys for dogs. They has even made a cool bed for dogs in Audi's car. Fact number 1. Harley Davidson cake. Companies like Harley Davidson also do cake decorations. They made cake decoration items, although it is completely different from their field. And everyone was shocked with what this Harley Davidson was doing, and the idea didn't really work for them.